Will you lose weight by giving up meat? Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. A new study compares vegetarian and vegan diets. You know the statistics. 70% of Americans are overweight or obese. The medical costs associated with obesity exceed $50 billion a year, and 1 in 5 deaths in the United States are attributed to obesity. According to a Gallup poll, about 75% of women and 50% of men have tried to lose weight, but most of them have failed miserably. Researchers have found that people can lose 5% to 10% of their body weight fairly easily. The problem is that this weight loss is nearly always temporary. The average American adult would like to shed about 16 pounds. But they are fighting an uphill battle. Most people don't stick with their diets, but even people who stay on their diets for at least 2 years typically lose only 3 or 4 pounds. And a surprisingly large number of dieters actually regain more weight than they lose. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provides you value. What about vegetarian and vegan diets? The good news is that individuals on both vegetarian and vegan diets lost weight when compared to subjects in the meat-eating control groups. On average, the non-meat eaters lost 4.5 pounds. The vegans lost an average of 5.5 pounds and the ovo-lacto vegans lost 3.3 pounds. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. How much weight will you lose by foregoing meat? Here is what I have concluded from examining the research on the impact of giving up meat on weight loss. 1. Most people will lose weight if they stop eating meat. 2. If you stay on a vegetarian or vegan diet, there is a reasonably good chance you will lose between 5 and 10 pounds over the long haul. 3. Most people who give up meat are not going to shed 40 pounds, nor will they lose the 16 pounds the average Americans aspire to. 4. You will probably lose more weight if you go vegan and give up dairy and eggs in addition to meat. However, if you are not seeing results, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.